Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Kwayam aben fa so a wotumi ehwe emasa banking sector is say one more can stabilize niema stabilize se wo fa kwan so agu enwuma ni bia na se agu banks ni bia banks are affected mostly local banks. Was there any other way anka ban betimi afa so yes and me dan say obegugu ye local banks and foreign banks and say omugina wo manan
who say banking sector no thrive on one main thing trust the confidence any power of banking sector nim they say they also do sika koto be we no waje hakoda na wo gidi ss sika no abribi a ope bia on sabede e be kana sika ni benyini na wo head the outcome of science say na ndisi amemu aye na de na ebesi ni say si anteki sa decision a choosing a choice between two devils say bia ma watane ama obi asasa bronsam na esi mu de e baako ni nyina no benya outcome obenya consequence de e wo ho na wo hwe de ya anteki sa decision ya kebe ya ka de be ya ne say the entire banking sector nankasa will collapse. The entire banking sector will collapse. It will affect Ghana's economy. After we do investors in the Emma, and it will affect our money as a whole. But of course, as all here, and yet banks in na ebigui. Ebu ha, yama unsa abai more chance say sa minimum capital requirement no 400 million no e mun raise. You can say raise but at the back am so make catch Ghana businessmen. I mean this is a humble appeal. Ghana ye kase business obakofo bia pese ka business ko no nkwan na ye de edin da so no register no nkwan enti na wa hwa bako owu a na adwuma na ye de egu no anka obehwe ma anka bia ka ba ma mo chance say ka adwuma no mo raise minimum capital requirement because minimum capital requirement is say asembia to bank na asembia to institution na say sika ne bi ne be yidi ade abo institution ye de ho bra uni bi the NDC here say omobo amomo forge documents it is a minimum capital requirement na no ma choro bibia se bibia ye dey ewo ho but obekọ in reality say okoye financial audit obeye forensic audit ankasa no na ka prenye dey na ho aban di kama mo first chance even NDC aban di omo ye ne say omo Bank of Ghana na sal some of these banks no as a bailout say ye jima free how na mo ye dey nwo mu no say sika na ankasa to bank bi say capital bank dey no mo say this sika na omo say this sika na sa could be a sovereign bank. So it was a deliberate attempt. First of all, there was a criminal element, but the entire of the now so the criminal way. The bench said no, it's for the court. But we have science and no man they go in even moratorium about the more say so your banking institution be a GM bank we money na mun consolidate. About here no consolidate or more capacity or more what this CBG no na be na be CBG no. But e bu ho e kana ba or they cut too much. At the end, Africa, let us a cano, as I be a car day, I'm all mine. Do way outcome now plus deposits are almost here also the Obama mobile. We go ahead and write the intent on what from day one intent on the creative bank. The intent wasn't to sell more. The intent was to create a bank and steal the bank. They are not buying the best decision as a then and I was a buyer say a buying will have to consolidate or more capacity na ne betima consolidate na the team consolidate so you go near protected depositors money because when na the best see what you know at the here we get
but according to opposition for no can say amount of money am use so at the good banks and nke betimi asset assign mo esuo da dem
oh opposition kasa na wanna make us first of all no kwa
kwasi gati na wa hai
kwasi se sika
na nya sana moka
kwasi sika ya de ball Ose sika ya de ball
mo de good banks no e ka mo boy ya mo de good sa banks no senka mo bo abo se sika de shemu a anka be bo sustain banks no
busa se e di kan na banks na egu no sika se no mo de shemu unu so mo de kan start bibi sa o mo de shemu ne kwesi se na me che se we mass ne ayo company ni ni o he ka company ni dia the company no o fe bi so oye insolvent. Other words no kwa be betime declare company so a bank of necessary company wo de ne adwuma enye de enye yiye bi nti sa company no eye even more better say na me say aban hwe ni nyina no say bi nya aban fitin ya no take say decision no omo no omo capacity say omo betime ya adwuma aban consolidate omo no omo ni capacity na aban ye de egu omo but wo ka no one hwe ya de be say aban will have to incur double cost at some point na we say even you raise bonds ni ade to even pay some of the depositors money and do go ka say kebetimi dizikano protect omu nyina how many bank financial institutions at that time na wo ho na divided by sika the protected depositors money na ehwe se kasa ska na be kebetimi the ISR again the amu ye kra mismanagement ne bad decisions ni ade amu ya mudi emma banking sector ni collapse and you've not come out to apologize to Ghanaians but you want to come out to give advice and how do you mean NDC nya
me da se gat kwatin me da se gate
mame
Papa.
I'm the program I shall send them. Hey ma. Hey mami na no kakra. Me nwa okasa yi. Wan kasa bia. Sebi. Na the conclusion no. E kire de mo pedo kan the Ghana banks no. Where you refer. E bisa no question. No yi anu no. Pedo ka de enkofu no obokro no. No on pedo be ka.
Anya no na reality. According to Mwakasa documents no
Ghana banks no. We are konfu. That is what he say.
Wan kasa Ghana banks ya konfu.
E bisa the banks no. Na we gu no ni na Ghana banks. Foreign bank bi anka ho. Enti say epede ka de awo eye wa assessment no. Let me tell you. We duma asset and a liability no balance. Now liability more than asset. We declare body insolvent. Insolvent means you cannot go
operate.
out to no, not necessarily you cannot operate, but you cannot go out and borrow.
No.
Okay.
No. When they declare you insolvent doesn't mean you cannot operate.
No.
If you declare we say we are insolvent, which means say we are collapse and now
no. See, yes, we are bankrupt. We are bankrupt means what they have more.
You don't have money.
You don't have
anything.
money. But that doesn't mean you cannot work.
Now where are you going to
What
get
it
money
means
to
in
work?
say, what it means in say, you don't have the capital structure. Business in more. Wait to that bosia.
It is we need some capital structure. Anything you declare we say
the
we
one
are
can saying with Japadi. And which is me to me mobra. Is that what you are saying? That is why we are saying say ejuma na ekoso no Ghana for ejuma. Okay, we say omuko subsidiaries. So that's it. Enye bone. Oh, okay, say obi akobie bank or the sikari bi akobie ejuma for fra. Now, is it not part of the company? In any case, bank ejuma be na mo ye. So mo junko fo sika to. E na mo di ejuma. Omunya mfa so na mo di bi ama nkofo no. As interest ana me boa. Inti say me run a bank. Now the sika be to ho. Sika na o de be to ho no so e say me ejuma. Na me nya bi ma o. Enye say wo disika no be to ho a. Na say me ya na say e bi a me de bobosa. Na at the end of the day no, ma me nya efu na ma obi. Enti so be aji wo deposit. Wa show the more interest. And in any case, say memo interest ah. Ejuma me this card be ye ne de. Aya on fa ho. Ma fa ho nyi de interest percentage no oya he. Nti annual me ba na me baji miska me sabeka. Enti say bonus obi this card bi akoye A B C oninti aban mi gina me na de mugu no. If you are protecting depositors your money. Only tell they could go mana. No, you know they rushed in the whole thing. Because let me tell you, that was not the only option for government.
No option because me one NDC mo di kan discard bi ama wo mo hu say omo tikasem wo no mo discard bi shi ma wo.
Mami.
And I seem said there was some misappropriation or something.
Aban na kasa. No, but mismanage the whole process.
How?
This is a nice question. First, now a minimum capital ratio. No, yeah. Before another down Kwakufuado in MPP.
Maybe raising a 400.
No, yeah.
It was around 200 something.
No, now
100.
No, 120.
Okay.
And some operating bank. Now me kita 120 million Ghana cedis. Now me the operate. Now it be increase there. Make capital ratio uncle to 400. You have overstretched me. It automatically
no. Expect me to.
Yes, you have taken me out of business. As that my yen. I remember the brave one now because you have to find every means to get it. Going to Manko, government did something for others, which was a consolidation. Send a consolidated Bank of Ghana, and I'm a what? Into why the others went to one different arrangement for them to survive. And you are saying there, banks activities even though court be pronounced there, wabokrono, but they can there because I'm who the wabokrono. Inti inti Ghana for now, and one way bank and one question why confu beautiful capital bank GN one no why confu banks are high now and I ban on you to the banks in them. But here we are. Say, what go edwuma na akofo ko tena fie no. Wo rete mi nwa kwesi kwati. There, opedo ka che on there, edwuma no na ko no na okodo wo ho. Nti na ndo wotifi. It's good. We have a catch them the egu bank no. Bank na wala lugu no. Who you free there? Bank no wobon kofo bosa. Na se contractor ye edwuma. Na ice the moon to our because me your forensic audit. Now the 3 years, a year forensic audit. Now contractor ni nyoma go site. Mami say e nyoma go site. Now go site 6 months. Os in there. In fact, am kokran ko yi. E kawo bada odo. Now me the nyoma go site. 3 years forensic audit. Mr. There, bosana waji what do you do? Because I buy on contractor. Almost ka. Mami, I buy on more contract. Almost ka. I want na your mobilization. And the chassis. Edu be na a raise certificate. And one more kakra. And to be your contract be no. Bosana obo. Na se mabo bosa bank. Now buy so room track out. Not because of that, you know. And confirm want to move to bank na kawa. Bank no better than obogu. Yet we are another na kwa guvado. Watch my private schools and there a far one room sisun wen. You sure the private schools na bingu ya. And take your decision. That decision no onya some negative rippling effect on the people. You should know and accept. You are telling me that me apologize to who? Aye dey go banks na. Say ejuma erokodo. Na sem from do aba. The responsibility of the central bank and government in this case, you know, I don't make sure there. And she say, yeah, in confluence, you know, women do because to create a job is not a joke.
Utie Oha Extreme Punk no. Needs FM.